Yo boys, another video, another backtesting session. Of course, I'm not prepared, but we are now starting June. I've started it already. Not very successful. I have 60% win rate on it. Not much P&L. But we starting off with, of course, our thumbnail. Let's get it. So we do have clean manipulation here. We do see this. You see that we respect this area, manipulation, rebalance, displacement, clean. Let's see what we do. My draw of liquidity is here. Let's see if we manipulate this area. Okay, we displace higher. Manipulate here. Mini order block here. Okay, manipulation here. Displacement higher. Took the draw. Tapped into this buy side. Let's see what we do in this sell side imbalance. My bias could be it's more bearish because we didn't sweep this draws, did manipulate. Maybe this could be some kind of rebalance. We tapped into buy side, respect the order block. See if we disrespect it. Oh, clean. As well as we manipulated this area again. See if we disrespect this order block, and I may try to. Okay, this is disrespect, but I do not think we want to go lower. See if this candle closes. Okay. Okay, this looks pretty good. Our next draw is this or this sell side. I would really like to try this one. Okay, let's see if we do something about this draw. So we manipulated this area. Displacing higher. Let's see if we displace. Okay. So let's see. 9:30 opens. We do manipulate this area. We go lower. ES sweeps all these lows. We heavily displace higher. A bit consolidation. We create an order block maybe right now. And the key point here is whether we respect this buy side or not. So we tap into it, displace above, manipulation, let's see if we go higher. Okay, we tapped into the sell side. And most definitely go like this. I do think this day is pretty low prop. We may go even lower from now on. I do believe we could be more bearish, but closed bullish 115, so Let's see if we get this draw. Okay, I'm gonna close out just because we've manipulated this draw, and we maybe want maybe allow price to retrace lower, and go higher. Okay. Yeah, this is on spot, bro. This is on spot. This win is on spot. Very good understanding. I do believe we are having clean XP gain. Maybe I will just do something like this. Yeah, this color is more better, much better. Okay. Open up the really bearish manipulation. Instead of manipulation, displacement higher. It's our next draw. Now we respect this gap. Manipulate, displace higher. The draw here. Took this. Displace higher. We're in this area of sell side. Now let's see how we react off of it. I do believe we are very bullish. We may go here. See what is the highest of the ranges on. This is the highest point, this is the lowest point. So we are going above the 50% of the move, daily move. Now create an order block after manipulating. Create a volume imbalance. So we displaced above it, and we could try go for cheeky 1-to-1. See if it works out. I don't like these type of entries because we are in top of the range, but we do look very bullish, and we maybe wanted to manipulate here. Let's see if the bias can change now, because if we displace below this rebalance, displace, so S&T, respect this gap, 945 entries, maybe here pretty bang on, bang on, bang on, bang on to 1-to-1, maybe it would have hit. Easy, 1-to-1, easy. But we are very uncertain at this point. So we did have a market structure shift here, but we do want to do some weird shit and then go lower. Okay. So we are trying to rejoin this area. We failed to do that. After sweeping here. displace lower. We have this, this, pxh. See what we do. Okay, immediate displacement higher. Ooh. Fuck it. 6-7, nice. This entry is pretty solid. I'm not gonna lie. This was the draw we were getting for sure. Let's see what we do here. So we do respect this order block. Immediate kernel flip after manipulating. This draw. Order block. What? And volume imbalance as well. Okay. Let's see if we remanipulate this. So we respect the 50. Displace lower, manipulation here. Let's see if we respect the order block is here. Okay, disrespect. A bit of a dilly-dallying, but we are freaking uncertain, I believe. Again, the order block. We're pushing higher. I don't think we need to go lower at this point. But we manipulated. Maybe ES wants to go here and then dump. Okay, so we did disrespect this order block anyway. But we went into the screen cell side. SMT, and we don't give a fuck. Very clean. Oh fuck, this is, I don't like this day. I think I remember this day when I was backtesting like 3 months ago. So we are in this range. We don't have actually draw of liquidity, but we do have highest highs and lowest low of this day. Let's see if we react off of it. Or we want to go there. Wait, did we sweep this drone? No. So again, we will in this sell side. Imbalance. Okay. We displace higher. There is low resistance liquidity. Let's see if we have some kind of bearish signs in narrative wise. We do have this manipulation. We have displacement reaction of this buy side, clean reaction. After a manipulation, we displace higher, taking this draw. We do see that we respect this order block here. and close out, pretty much uncertain about about taking the ultimate draw. Mm, but now after 9:30 opens, manipulating this draw, you see that we created this order block and started displacing lower to this buy side imbalance. After slowing down, we've manipulated, created an order block and displaced off of it. So what would I need to see to validate my entry? It's a displacement. Just because higher time frame narrative for me would be um, uh, would be bullish, and the signs in the sky telling me this. However, we still have this area that we manipulated right now, and we could react off of it going to this draw. Mm, let's see what we do in this order block. Okay, we do have reaction off of it, but now if we displace above the 50 and this draw, I could maybe try doing something. So ES is pushing higher, and we do see that we clearly disrespect off of um, uh, tapping into buy side into order block. Sorry. Um, mm, and we want to maybe rebalance into this volume imbalance, this buy side, or this volume imbalance. So I'm gonna wait. Maybe we sweep the draws, and then we understand what the price wants to do. Okay. So 9:45 opens, and uh, NQ um, take internal low and reacts off of it. But this 9:30 open manipulation in respect of this order block tells me we could be looking for bearish signs, and my entries will be based on on this sell side imbalance. Okay. This doesn't look very bearish for me, but we do still have this sell side, and pair that with a order block, I maybe want to be more bearish. I do think hmm, we are bearish, yes. I do think we are bearish. We rebalanced, displaced, and I'm still gonna wait for internal manipulation. Okay, we do have SMT right now. Again, we went to revisit this order block area. We don't disrespect the sell side, buy side. Hmm. I'm not sure about the entry. We took this and this. Um, but is really price? Is really price gonna go here? We we definitely see that we tapped into this buy side, displaced higher. The 15-minute does really look more likely unclear because we disrespected this by sight. I think I need to look for trace in and out right now. Okay, we swept this. Let's see if we give a fuck or no. Still can internally manipulate here, but I want to look for one-to-ones. This looks very good and promising. And the candle closure too. So I think I'm gonna back to my bias being bullish. It's low probable, but from the beginning I was bullish, and maybe taking this draw urged us to go lower to make beautiful structure here to this place. I mean, I'm more than sure we are hitting this, so I'm gonna risk a bit more. If not, this is good and valuable lesson, but I don't think the narrative wise we are not right. Okay, so we swept the draw, sadly. And we can visit this area, but I don't think I mean we have equal lows, so I don't know if we want to manipulate here or here. If we manipulate here, I'm safe. Let's see if it works. Okay, this looks not that good, but let's see what the next candle shows. Manipulation. Okay. Okay, I'm holding it. I do hold it. I do want to hold this. Okay, nice. Trailing. Remanipulating. So now I'm gonna stop this. So even though we would have hit, I know I'm very bullish, but I don't want to risk. But I think I should have. I think my trade ID was very solid, and yeah, pretty good. How many days have we left? 1, 2, 5. Okay, let's see how the win rate is, and we will end this video right now. 72, 73. Pretty solid um, after starting the video. This just, I mean, everything shows if I am focused, I could do anything. If I rush, this is what I do if I rush. This is what I do if I think. And this is the best conference I can and the best advice I can give you is when you put the effort and actually focus on your trades and talk to yourself. I think talking to yourself is the most useful thing. This is what we get. This is what we get. So, guys, see you in the next video. we end up in this win rate. This is John 25. Okay, bye.